the back tire off, getting the back fender off. And we're gonna strip this thing down, clean it up, and rebuild the whole damn thing. There we go. Where'd the rest go? Alright, well here we go. We got the frame tore down. We're about to get the handlebars off, the forks, and then the engine. See that engine? Oh, it's coming off. Alright. Now, what do y'all think? I want somebody in the comments to tell me. This or straight bar? I'm thinking this. Straight bar. Fuck you. I'm thinking this. Straight bar probably better, but this looks fucking weird, man. I just want to see people's reaction when I got that shit like that. But we're gonna get this thing torn down. Now, the end of this, about into midways between 2018. This bike's gonna look like something you ain't never seen before. All right, man. I'll catch you on the next one. All right. This. Everywhere is a motorcycle. Oh, let me do a demonstration. Now, that's the engine. Ain't she so pretty? Them fuckers. Oh, I hate them fuckers. Okay. Well, that's a motorcycle. That's before, and there's gonna be an after.